And as COVID-19 spreads, startling trends show the virus affecting minority communities at an alarming rate. ABC 27's Jada Williams live in Frenchtown for us tonight, where some community members are stepping up to help.
Yeah, the help is desperately needed in communities like Tallahassee Southside and Frenchtown. Many people that I spoke to today say that when it comes to getting their hands on things like masks or even tests, it's a gamble, and the stakes are getting higher as cases continue to grow.
It's just like flipping a coin. Heads or tail, it go two ways.
Health concerns mounting in neighborhoods like Frenchtown and Bonn as positive cases of COVID-19 rise. 52 people have tested positive in Frenchtown, one of Florida's most low-income neighborhoods.
The virus knows no color, no race, but right now it's a fact that minorities have higher rates of hypertension, diabetes, asthma, more chronic diseases. So when that happens, being that patients could have those underlying conditions, that exacerbates the virus.
Many who live here don't have health insurance, and healthcare providers in the area are far and few. But they do have Neighborhood Medical Center.
People are coming here, we're able to educate them, their family members, and let them know what this means for them in their life now, that especially if they've been exposed to the virus.
And it's getting more serious. People dying now.
From telehealth visits to testing for the predominantly African American communities, the center is doing its best to fill the void for those who need it most.
The sad part is the demand outweighs the supply of tests right now.
And it's not just tests in high demand, but masks as well.
We thought it would just be more beneficial for the community if we try and instead of just talking about it, putting some hands and feet to it and get it done.
In 3 days, Capital City Chamber of Commerce handed out 2,500 masks to people in those neighborhoods and healthcare providers.
I suggest get you one.
People in neighborhoods like Frenchtown saying they appreciate every bit of help to keep the community safe. And that community is continuing to step up and help. Capital City Chamber of Commerce is still partnering with Mask for Tally. That's a part of the city of Tallahassee to make sure that everyone in Frenchtown, Tallahassee Southside, and the entire Tallahassee community is able to get a mask. Reporting live from Frenchtown, Jada Williams, ABC 27.
Digging deeper into those cases in minority communities, the CDC recently released its first breakdown of cases by race. The study shows that 30% of those who tested positive are African American. State and local data also found out those deaths reported across the country, nearly 1/3 of those who died were African Americans. Some of this is attributed to underlying conditions that exist more in African American communities. Those conditions include things like diabetes, obesity, and asthma.